I'm here with Amantika as usual, but I'll be here with her for a while. Okay, you follow me. Sarah, my travel buddy, and we have we have Timmy.
Yo,
Night
like,
Megan. Wait, no, not yet. We're going to get drunk.
we should actually buy something. Let's because in the bars are super expensive.
Okay, let's pre-drink and then go out for drinks.
Yeah, or we just like should buy some water and just put wine. We should do that. We should do that.
So that's the plan. We're gonna get drunk.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Didn't last too long. And no one never loved her. I love the way she calls. Whoa, these days it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
Yamani.
Barbie.
Barbie. Barbie with a bar.
It's the president.
Yeah, Monica. What they call me?
Or the ninja.
Look at the boss.
Nick and the bar ninja.
You said Nikita Egypt.
We should like get rid of her.
Oh shit, it's
That's
happening.
beautiful.
What is that?
What is
Why
that?
are you turning blue? Are you a Smurf?
You caught me.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Whoa. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby.
To Castello de George. Not sure which George.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa.
Take my dinero. Because she's a talented Beyonce. She really is. Get it, I guess. Good morning. It's our second day in Lisbon, and we're just gonna have a quick breakfast. We're so tired. We're really sore, and Amantika's laughing at me because I'm vlogging period, not just in public.
Hello, my friends. We're back.
We're back. We're gonna go shopping, and then we're gonna go see other historical, cultural stuff, like the monastery. Gonna see Vasco da Gama's tomb. Hopefully, if it's free. If it's not free, we're gonna go back. But yeah, we're gonna see the other touristy historical sites that we have to see in Lisbon today. Just fueling up for that, and yeah, that's it. We're really tired. We're running behind time too, but we'll meet up with Timmy there, so hopefully everything will be fine. And yeah, stay tuned.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just
3D, you know?
Yeah, he's just trying on my glasses
Yeah.
so that we could see down there. Otherwise, we'd have to like zoom in and see what's going on. But
You look like a scientist.
time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby me? Oh, so baby, can you love me? I really want that lullaby.
what's crazy is that each pillar is like a different design from each other, like from the adjacent or the next pillar. So quite a bit of detail went into it. I think it's pretty worth it. It's really beautiful. Late Gothic style is always impressive. Like Gothic style is impressive when it comes to architecture. Just because of the details, I think it's like one of the most impressive styles, but this one is like next level. So yeah, if you do visit, I think this place is worth visiting. Definitely.
Standing by the wall, what a picture of elegance. Writing on the stall, phone number, such a gentleman. Who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you. We don't have to
Damn, Papa.
sit still.
Oh, this would be nice. Like Timmy's already on the tree though. Is she wildin'?
No, I don't wanna dance. Baby, after you leave, I'm showing up on your phone. Be the last one to see. I get so nervous when I think of you. Alone in your bedroom, with the radio on or the radio off. I get so nervous when I think of you. Nothing that I can do. Turn the radio on, turn the radio off.
Very
I'm comparing. I'm the motherfucking
scary.
Fondom.
Leap. Addison Rae. Because I'm Addison Rae.
Send your location. Damn, Papa, you are married. Don't compare me. I'm motherfucking scary. Don't run to your Bravo. Get a home, no.
Can you believe
it?
we were so tired just like an hour back? We had one pina colada. We were making like aggressive TikToks.
I need another pina colada. Can we get another drink, Joy?
Yeah, but I gotta pee first. She gotta go.
Bye.
She gotta go to the toilet. Bye bye. No, like even if you're in control now, it's just like okay.